sõjavägi hakkas tulema, Vene sõjavägi, kuivastust. Siis oli ju, rahvas ei tohtinud seda näha. Ja nii oli, paistis, et Saaremaal oli nii palju kaitseliitlasi, umbes kuivastust kuni Kuressaareni välja, iga 100 ja 200 meetri pealt oli kaitseliitlane. See lint oli ümber käe ja püss oli seljas ja need ei lubanud ka inimesi tee äärde.
Olulisem on see, et stsenaariumi järgselt kõik olulised asjad sai ära lahendatud. Et praegu laekus info, et pomm on demineeritud, pomm ei plahvatanud ja sularaha on ka alles tartud, et inimesed võivad raha pangad rahulikult edasi võtta. Üks terrorist on või üks kurjategija on Soosaga. Üks terrorist on või üks kurjategija on Soosaga, aga küll aga kärsitav. Aga eriline tänu tõepoolest Kaitseliidule, kes on vähemalt Lõuna-Eestis küll tõsine partner sisejulgeoleku tagamisele.
5 years after our nation was attacked, the terrorist danger remains.
Al-Qaeda killed nearly 3,000 people on that day.
That this is a terrorist attack or a series of terrorist attacks, it's also reasonably clear.
I remember getting a call from the fire department commander telling me that they were not sure they're going to be able to contain the fire. I said, we've had such terrible loss of life. The response to do is pull. And they made that decision to pull, and then we watched the building collapse.
Today we were running an exercise for a company, bearing in mind I'm now in the private sector, and we sat everybody down in the city, 1,000 people involved in the whole organisation, but the crisis team. And the most peculiar thing was we based our scenario on the simultaneous attacks on the Underground and mainline station. So we had to suddenly switch an exercise from fictional to real.
Just to get this right, you were actually working today on an exercise that envisioned virtually this scenario?
Almost precisely.
United States into an enslaved unit of the United Nations one-world government.